Before buying new power tools for woodworking, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1: DEWALT 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit. First up is the DEWALT 20V Max Power Tools Combo Kit. This set caught my eye right away with its impressive 9-tool lineup for $799. If you want an all-in-one solution to tackle various woodworking projects, this is worth a serious look. The reciprocating saw allows for quick blade changes without any fuss, and the cordless circular saw can make quick work of cutting 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in one pass. The impact driver features 3 LED lights, which helps you see what you're working on without shadows, a must-have for those intricate tasks. Now, some people complained about its price, saying it's a bit steep. Here's the thing though, you're getting a complete toolkit that can handle everything from drilling to grinding. If you're serious about woodworking, that initial investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious hobbyist looking for a comprehensive set. But skip this if you're just starting out and don't want to invest heavily right away. Product number 2: 2-Win Router Tool. Next up, we have the 2-Win Router Tool, priced at just $49.99. I was really impressed by its budget-friendly price for the features you get. If you're looking for a compact router that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This little guy packs a punch with 800 W of power and a speed of 30,000 RPM, which means you can take on a variety of routing and trimming tasks without a hitch. The inclusion of 15 tungsten carbide router bits means you have everything you need to get started right away, making it ideal for both pros and DIY enthusiasts. Plus, the transparent base offers a clear view of your work, so you can make precise cuts every time. However, some users mentioned that it could be a bit noisy. Honestly, if you're used to working with power tools, it's not a deal breaker, but keep that in mind if you prefer quieter options. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or a DIYer looking for a versatile tool at a low price point. But skip this one if you want something heavy-duty for larger projects. Product number 3: DEWALT 20V Max 3-Tool Combo Kit. The next product is the DEWALT 20V Max 3-Tool Combo Kit, available for $380.67. This kit really caught my attention because it provides some essential tools without overwhelming you with extras. If you're focused on woodworking and want reliable, high-quality equipment, this is worth a serious look. The sander features variable speed control, allowing you to adjust between 8,000 and 12,000 OPM depending on your project needs. The oscillating tool has a quick-change accessory system, so you can switch out blades easily. This saves you time when you need to adjust your approach on the fly. Now, some reviews pointed out that it's a bit heavier than some other combos. Here's the thing though, the weight gives it a solid feel which can actually improve control. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, battery-operated set for various woodworking tasks. But skip it if you're looking for a more extensive toolkit with more specialized tools. Product number 4: ARBORTCH Power Carving Unit. Now let's talk about the ARBORTCH Power Carving Unit, priced at $249. This tool stood out to me with its unique approach to woodworking. If you want to take your carving to the next level, this is worth a serious look. The leveling guide helps you maintain precise depth, and while the chip catcher keeps your workspace clean. This is especially helpful if you're working on larger projects where mess can quickly build up. Some users mention that it can take a bit of getting used to, especially if you're transitioning from traditional hand tools. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it opens up so many possibilities for creativity. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced woodworker looking to add more artistic flair to your projects. But skip this one if you're looking for general-purpose tools. Product number 5: Eckhart Cordless Biscuit Joiner. Finally, we have the Eckhart Cordless Biscuit Joiner, priced at $95.99. I found it intriguing due to its cordless design, which offers flexibility when working. If you're into furniture making or need to do a lot of joinery, this is worth a serious look. This biscuit joiner operates at 11,000 RPM and can handle a variety of biscuit sizes, including 0, 10, and 20. The angle adjustment and 6 depth settings allow you to make precise cuts tailored to your project. Plus, it comes with 80 biscuits and a dust collection bag, which helps keep your area tidy, a bonus for any woodworker. However, some users expressed dissatisfaction with the build quality. Honestly, while it might not be as sturdy as higher-priced options, it still gets the job done efficiently for the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly tool for joinery tasks. But skip it if you're after something more robust for heavy-duty work. To wrap it up, we've looked at some fantastic new power tools for woodworking. From the comprehensive DEWALT combo kits to the more specialized tools like the ARBORTECH carving unit, there's something here for everyone. Just remember to choose according to your specific needs, and you'll find the right fit for your projects.